Meaning of front page.
Front page.
Front page.
Front page.
Front page. Front page refers to the first page of a publication, such as a newspaper or website, that features the most important or interesting news stories or articles. It is often used to indicate the main focus or highlight of the publication. The front page is designed to capture the attention of readers and encourage them to read further. It is typically the most heavily scrutinized and curated part of the publication, as it sets the tone for the rest of the content. In short, the front page is the face of the publication and a crucial component of journalism and media.